Push across, Dylan!
Ga i ofyn I aelod o staff o Bishop Glandaff a Cardiff High, please dod i'r ran wybodaeth. Member of staff from Cardiff High and Bishop Glandaff, please come to the information area.
Stay with it!
Yeah, games are pitch one now at 12 o'clock.
Off the kick off of us one! Under this ball! Go! Come on! Dylan, we've got to keep going with the defence!
Really good service, they're really good, well done!
Boys, Chief, come round and grab that ball. Put a name on it! What a minute, bro! Give me an open! Go! Go on, Finn! Go on, Finn, all the way! Go!
Ga i ofyn I aelod o staff o Bishop Glandaff, please dod i'r ardal cyfrestru. A staff member from Bishop Glandaff School, please come to the registration area. Ga I hefyd ofyn I aelod o staff o Ysgol Uwchled Caerdydd dod i'r man cyfrestru. A staff member from Cardiff High School to also come to the registration area, please.
Boys, keep all width in defence, okay? Finn, Alessandro, you and Finn, keep the width, okay? Keep the width.
säga.
Come on! Get in there! Move it! Give it! Cardiff, in we come!
Now we go! Straight up! Keep going! Offload! Offload!
Kyle, you've got to be definite now. Really definite. Very dark. Nice places.
Put a name on it! Don't let it bounce! Billy, get the ball! Billy, get the ball! Billy, get the ball! Have to go, Dill! This way! Good play! Pinky! Go, Dill! Go! 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 Go on, Dilly! Go on, Dilly! Yeah! Go on! Post! Post! Great strike, Dylan! Alessandro! Wait! Now! Wait! Luca, hold the width on this touchline, okay? Can you listen to me? Dylan! Come on, chase it! Stop! Back 10! Back 10! It's okay, come on! Let's go! Luke, leave it, leave it, leave it, leave it! Back on the 10! Jacob, back on the 10!
Ball now, Dom! Ball now, Dom!
Don't let it bounce! Don't let it bounce! Get up, first tackle up! Luke, here! Go, Jacob, keep pushing!
Back 10! Back 10!
Get in there! Come on, go for him! Up you come then, good thing. Right boys, off, it's off. It's off, it's off, off.
Yeah? Yeah.
Wait, now! Luca!
Chase him up!
Not too far,
Put
Dottie!
him under pressure!
Come on, boy!
Up on it!
Get over it.
Go on!
It's yours.
Get out! Good job!
Hit him, Luca! Go on, Luca! Go on, Luca!
Great tackle! Yes,
Luca!
Boys, get in there! Get back 10! Back 10!
Unlucky,
That's
Luca!
on the
Unlucky,
mark, sir.
Luca! Get over, boys!
Keep going, Jake! Keep going, Jacob!
Come on,
Keep
JP.
going. Go, Evan! Good,
Yes,
Jake.
Evan!
Yes,
Good
boy.
boy!
Gonna SIR beginning with the night. The next games will be for 20 past 12. Oxford team I can run over Canadian God EUK. If the following teams can make their way to the pitches, please. Kai Heap is pitch number 1. Kai Dai, pitch number 2. Dora Valine and Erbin Cardinal Newman. Kai 3, pitch number 3. Cumberland League Kai number 4. Justin Allen and Erbin Carsquan. Kai Pin, pitch number 5, Pro Eldern and Erbyn Pro Gwan. Kai Clear, pitch number 6, Gwyr and Erbyn Cwm Tower. Kai Saith, pitch number 7, Gwan Sarab and Erbyn Basel. Kai Wyth, pitch number 8, Gwent East Coed and Erbyn Kenneth Sant. Kai Now, pitch number 9, Bro McDonald and Erbyn Bai Buckland. Kai Dig, pitch number 10, Lewis Hangen and Erbyn Greenhill. Kai Inarrig, pitch number 11, Klaas Mauer and Erbyn Gwynskew. Kai Davek, pitch 12, Abbott Hillary and Erbyn Abbott
Harry!
Radon.
Harry!
Settle it down now,
Yeah,
boys!
Luca, wait! Luca!
Come on, boys!
Luca, come out!
Go on, smash it!
Isolated, Jake, isolated!
Good, Jake!
Come on,
Good,
Jacob!
Jacob!
Oh,
Go,
Jacob!
Jake, let it
Go,
go!
Jacob!
Yeah! Come on, boys!
Shake some hands, boys!
Roy Riddick draw, but he's in and draw on that place.